Hi, I am finally heading to Louis Vuitton to see if they can do something about my agenda that just doesn't want to click, my agenda GM. So I'm gonna bring that to them and see what they can do, whether it be replace it or repair it or whatever. I bought it in December and I'm just now, I mean, it happened kind of like right away and I'm just now getting to it. But anyway, I'll show you what I mean. And I took all of the stuff out of it and it didn't seem to do it. You know, it didn't seem to have the problem. So I'm leaving my insert, the actual Louis Vuitton insert in here, and showing them that when you know, just every page kind of just gets stuck right there on these things. It just opens right there. It stays open at all times, kind of, and then pages get stuck. And that just came right out. So yeah, see what we can do about it. I was hoping it wouldn't rain today. It's starting to rain. This is an outdoor mall that's like almost an hour away from me. I don't really have any Louis Vuittons that are close. So it's either a good 45 to 50 minutes or
after
over an hour.
0.2 mile turn left on.
And now it's starting to rain, so I'll be slogging through the rain here. It's not ideal. I've waited since December, so I need to get this done. Okay, I'm leaving my neighborhood now, so I'm gonna stop talking to you. So we made it. It's absolutely pouring. Yeah, and this is an outdoor mall. You have to walk 100 miles to get to anything. I'm not looking forward to getting out of the car, but I'm here, so we're gonna go. So I'm gonna run through the raindrops and yeah, let's just do this. Not terribly crowded here today. I wonder why. Kidding. Okay, so I went in and they are taking the agenda for repair. So they're gonna send it in for repair. And then I also asked about my Pochette Metis. I asked about that and they took pictures and they're going to find out what they can do about that. So we'll see, stay tuned. In the meantime, I stopped by David Yurman. There's a bracelet there that I absolutely love. But I don't know about that money. But while I was at Louis Vuitton, I saw that bag. What was it called? On the Side? They have the strangest names, but I thought it was beautiful. I loved it was just so different. I love that one, so yeah. That one's on my mind now too. It stopped raining. Look how pretty the tulips are. I love tulips. It's the Dutch girl in me. Grabbed some Oribe dry texturizing spray at Neiman Marcus. I needed more of that. And fell in love with a bag. So I fell in love with a bag at Neiman Marcus. It's a Chloe. I've never had a Chloe before and very, very strongly want to purchase this bag. So I am going to think about it and sleep on it and we'll see. I don't know. Okay, so we did that. Quick recap, they are sending my GM agenda from Louis Vuitton. They're sending it back for repair. That could take a while, but they say that things that are purchased in less than a year get bumped to the front of the list rather than people, you know, who bring things in that are over a year old. I don't know. Whew, long walk, sorry. So we'll see how that goes. And she also took pictures of my Pochette Metis to show and to talk to her manager about to see what they could possibly do about it. It'll be interesting because I've heard so many people get so many different answers on their Pochette Metises. Anyway, so there's that. I get to look forward to hearing what's going to happen with that. Fell in love with a Chloe bag at Neiman Marcus. I also found a YSL bag I really like. Yikes. And they are ordering a bracelet at David Yurman for me in a size bigger than the one they had there, because even though I have a fairly petite to normal size wrist, for some reason I feel like I want to try to size up on this one. So I'm going to try the bracelet on. They're going to order it and send it to the store, and I get to go back sometime between now and Sunday to try that on so I can see whether I want that size or the size below. So anyway, all that's happening. So we'll be back again. But in the meantime, it stopped raining and we're headed home. Also, while I was checking out at Neiman's, they gave me this little thing of water. And how cute is this? Neiman Marcus, infused with the finest fashion. Perfect. And I'm making a Starbucks run. I could use a pick-me-up. Getting close to home. Hi, I need a grande iced white mocha with an extra shot of espresso, please.
Right. Anything else?
Yeah, a classic coffee cake, warmed up if you could, please. And a grande caramel macchiato. Can I just have one pump of the flavoring and that's it?
Yes, so it's a grande caramel macchiato with one pump of the vanilla. Anything else?
Nope, that's it.
Alright, going down for your total. Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, now I'm quickly headed to the post office because I think my... Okay, let's go see if it's here. So excited. Yay, I got it. I'm so excited. Excited to jump into this. Very cool. I will be opening it on camera very soon because I want to do an unboxing. Yay, very excited about that. But anyway, thank you guys so much for going with me today. It was a lot of fun. I'm glad the sun is out now and it's not raining anymore, which is a good thing. But I got some things taken care of, which is great. And yeah, so anyway, thank you so much. I will be definitely sure to let you know what happens with the repair of the GM agenda and what they say about my Pochette Metis. So yeah, stay tuned. Bye guys, thanks.